Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back with the new lecture, that is lecture number 3 of chapter 2. We are studying chapter 2, that is what is around us. Chapter name is what is around us. Till now we have studied about lithosphere, hydrosphere, and today we are going to study atmosphere. Students, the layer of air that wraps the earth from all sides is called the atmosphere. These layers, this atmosphere, it extends approximately 1600 kilometers from the surface of the earth. It cannot be seen clearly with our naked eyes, like we can see lithosphere and hydrosphere. Students, atmosphere is composed of various gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, etc. Not only the gases, but it also contains water vapors, smoke, dust particles, microorganisms, etc. It is colorless. It doesn't have any color. It is odorless. We can't smell it, and it is transparent. Solid elements, liquid elements, and gaseous elements are also present in the atmosphere. Students, atmosphere contains 78% of nitrogen gas, 21% of oxygen gas, and 1% of other gases. When we go higher from the surface of the earth, the amount of most of these gases decreases. We find carbon dioxide in the lower area or lower layer of the air because it is heavy gas. Gases like oxygen and nitrogen keeps us alive. That is, it keeps living creature of the earth alive. Nitrogen reduces the intensity of oxygen. Now we will study about ozone gas. Students, this gas is very useful to us. This gas, that is ozone gas, comprises in very small proportion in the air. This gas absorbs harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun and protects earth from excessive heat of the sun. This gas is more in the proportion during morning time and in the air near the sea. Students, it is found in open ground. Water is one of the most important component in the atmosphere, students. Due to heat, water in the form of vapor evaporates and mixes with the air, which is known as moisture. Now this moisture, when it cools down, this process of cooling down is known as condensation. Various forms of moistures are, students, dewdrops, which we see early in the morning, fog, we are familiar with it, you can see in the picture, clouds, precipitation are due to condensation. Now students, because of atmosphere, its effect is seen in every aspects of our life. if we see different regions have different food habits, they are having different clothing styles, they have different habitats, they have different economic activities according to their regions. Also, the color of skin, we can see it varies because of the atmosphere. Now, we will see one other component of the atmosphere, that is dust particle. Students, dust particles are also seen in the atmosphere, and it is because of dust particle only the spreading of sun rays are visible. Because of dust particle, it does not suddenly turns dark when the sun sets, and even it does not suddenly turns bright when the sun rises. The sun rays are reflected back with the help of these dust particles on the surface of the earth, and we receive the light of the sun before the sun rises. Now students, other uses of atmosphere are, we can able to listen the sounds in our surrounding due to the presence of atmosphere. The FM radios which we can hear, Doordarshan telecast, different other telecast which we see is possible due to atmosphere. So, atmosphere is also equally important as of lithosphere and hydrosphere. This was all for today's lecture. Hope you liked this lecture and understood this lecture. If not, please take a look once again. We will meet with another sphere, that is biosphere, in next lecture. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe.